Let's quickly take a look at the way that you add notes to payments on Venmo. Whenever you're trying to send payments to other people and you want to add in some particular notes as a reminder, let me show you the process or the steps that you'll need to follow. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right in. Now, in order to make a payment, you'll need to head over to the pay or request button, which is on the bottom of the PayPal app. Now, once you tap on pay or request, you'll be directed to this page from where you can choose the person that you're trying to send the money to and then the amount as well. And now, just after you've done that, you can see a screen which says what it's for. And in this section, you can exactly type in what this payment was about or what this request was about so that it acts as a reminder for both you and the other party. So you can exactly type in any amount of word that you'd like so that it is clear later on what this payment or this request was for. After that, you can easily tap on request or pay and this payment will be sent to the other person. Along with that, the note will also be sent. That's the few steps that you need to follow in order to add in notes to payments on Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this.